I'm extremely eager to be studying in the UK, but considering the current scenario, can I still make an application? How do I proceed further?
Yes, definitely you can apply for September 2020 intake this year. You are not late, but I would say you are on time and you will have to hurry with the application. The universities in UK accepting and processing an application and we're looking forward to start with their intake soon. We at Advise are working from home and offices to guide our students for the courses, universities, coaching services, and visa applications too. So I would recommend that you can get in touch with me over the call or write me an email and send me a copy of your documents. I would be more than happy to assist with your admission application.
I still have to appear for my final year examinations, but can I still make an application?
Yes, why not? Universities in UK accepts the conditional application. I would encourage you to submit your admission application with available documents. The university will review your application as per the profile submitted, document and tilde aggregate percentage. As of now, university will issue the conditional place and the conditions can be last semester final grade marks or English language proficiency test course or to pay a deposit to a university. The Indian university will schedule their final exam by end of July or online exam. So the student will have enough time to send the pending documents and get the unconditional place.
Considering the current scenario, I'm unable to give my English proficiency test. Is there an alternative for the same?
Yes, I know and I understand this. So for UK, you are allowed to apply for the admissions and visa without English language proficiency test. Universities in UK accepts 12 standard English marks, but they still have the specific requirement for different boards. The second option is Duolingo. It is similar to all other English language proficiency test. It is online test and you'll get your result within 2 days. There are more than 45 universities in UK accepts the Duolingo. We at Advise we teach our students for Duolingo and I would recommend you also to start with your classes as soon as possible.
If I make an application now, will I be able to study for the September 20 intake?
Yes, of course. As you know, due to COVID-19, the student is unable to travel to UK. Some of the university might defer their intake to November or January 2021, or some university might ask student to start with virtual classes. So what you need to do is just accept the offer from university and the university will get in touch with you with their decision of delivering the classes, whether they are deferring to the next intake or starting with their online classes. So we at Advise, once we have an update from university, can brief you about what you should be doing to enroll with the university as per your convenience.
Are online classes advisable?
Yes, it is very much recommended. I will strongly suggest you to start with the online classes. This way you can keep on learning in this difficult time and this won't delay your studies. The sessions are also being recorded by the university, so if you miss on any topic or need to understand it again, you can still listen the recorded version at your convenience time. The best thing about online classes, you will save on your living expense and travel cost while studying from home. Moreover, you are also eligible to get your post-study work visa.
Are universities offering tuition fee waivers and scholarships considering the current scenario?
Yes, I am very much happy to inform you that UK is anyway a good option to our scholarships. There are many universities offers the different scholarship programs. I would suggest you to get in touch with your counselor or refer university website and apply for the scholarship before the deadline. And yes, if you are attending online classes, the university will let you know about the additional bursaries or discounts as per your eligibility criteria.
If I enroll for virtual classes, will my post study work rights be affected?
You do not need to worry about your post-study work visa rights. Initially, the university will conduct online classes for 3 to 4 months, and then you can study rest of your course with university on campus. In this case, you are still eligible to apply for the post-study work visa, and other rules and regulations would remain the same. Once the situation gets easy and university asks us to join on-campus studies, we can apply for your visa, and once the visa get approved, you can travel to UK.
Considering that travel is a concern and my parents are reluctant for me to travel and they're also not very pleased about the online classes, what do you suggest I do?
Yes, we understand this. Many of our students and parents are really worried about the situation. Online classes are always recommended. But if you are not ready to go for the online classes or your parents are not advising you to travel now, we always advise you to defer the intake. What you need to do is just request university to issue the new offer letter for the next intake.
Thank you for all your help, but where do I start from?
Yes, you can contact me over the call. You can write me an emails about any of your doubts, queries. Even your parents can get in touch with me. We can communicate about your course, university choice, entry requirements, visa counseling, coaching services, anything. You don't need to come to my office and I can help you with the entire process virtually. We do not have any processing charges, consulting charges. All of our services are free. I am sure that you are clear on your doubts and I hope you start with your process very soon.
Great, thank you so much. Thank